So this year, if you're a Singaporean, you should have already received your very own CDC vouchers and you are happily spending it every day on your Thai fund. Maybe this time you can finally get the expensive white steamed fish that's always hanging out in the corner that you always had your eye on. I was just casually using it the other day, paying for my lunch, and this thought just suddenly came to me. How nice would it be if I can have this money every single month and not have to pay for food? And that's where I thought it would be fun to create my own version of CDC vouchers through dividend investing. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how to build a dividend portfolio that pays you $1,000 per month living in Singapore. And to make things super easy for you to get started, we're just going to use one investment app and one investment tool to get started. So let's first break down how much you really need in order to earn this $1,000 per month in dividends. So $1,000 every single month will amount to $12,000 per year, and a good dividend return will be around 5%. So with that 5% return in mind, you will need a grand total of $240,000. And I know exactly what a lot of you guys will be thinking. Oh my freaking god, $240,000, a quarter of a million. That's a lot of money that most of us just don't have. So should we just all give up and call it a day? We can end this video right here, right? No, on this channel we don't just give up like everyone else. What you must know is that the $1,000 per month, it's only a target and you can slowly earn your way there. You just need your first $10,000 to get started, and every $10,000 you invest will create $500 per year of dividends. The moment you receive your first dividend payout, you're gonna be so addicted to the feeling. It's honestly, in my opinion, the closest anyone can get to any form of passive income, and that's coming from me, someone who really doesn't believe in passive income. Investing isn't about hitting crazy numbers at the start, but instead building the habits that will get you the freedom you want in the future. But you might also be thinking, why dividend stocks? Why not just go all in on index funds like everyone else? There are tons of index fund supporters everywhere, and yes, I think that majority of people would definitely benefit from just doing index fund investing. But here's the problem. Not everyone can wait around for 30 years until they go bald and then reap from their portfolios then, right? What if I want instant gratification right now? What if I want to earn money right now? And that brings me to this test that you might have heard before called the marshmallow test, and this was done on kids. Basically, they let the kids choose between having one marshmallow right now, or they can wait and delay that gratification and get 2 marshmallow afterwards. And I'm gonna say, screw that test. How about I want my marshmallow right now and I want more marshmallows afterwards as well? And that's exactly how dividend investing is going to feel like. I want to get paid right now and I want to get paid more in the future as well, as long as I consistently invest into these high quality dividend stocks. With index funds, you'll probably earn a higher return, I'll be honest, right? But you won't be able to touch that money until you sell it or liquidate it 30 years down the road or even longer. With dividend stocks, I can technically withdraw that money to go and eat Hai Di Lao the moment I get the payout. That feeling I got when I was being paid $500 to $1,000 a month in dividends was actually pretty awesome. So if you want to actually start building that system of getting paid, here's how to do it fast with just one app. So you don't need to have 5 different brokers and 10 spreadsheets out there to get started. All you need is one safe and reliable, cost-efficient broker to get started. Feel free to branch out and diversify afterwards, but honestly for beginners, you should just think about how to get started with the least amount of resistance and excuses. I've been a loyal user of the Moomoo app for the last 5 years, and I personally still keep more than $200,000 worth of funds on the account itself. Don't get me wrong, I'm not trying to brag here, but instead showing you guys how much trust I have with this platform. And if you're watching this right now, there's a good chance that you already have the app on your phone as well, but I know exactly what you guys are doing. Most people probably download the app once for the free promotion and they never really use it again. That's why I made this video, because I wanted to show you guys all these free and new settings that you can use on the Moomoo Singapore app to build this dividend portfolio. Things that I could have used in the past, but I didn't know, or it wasn't even available then. But on the off chance that I'm wrong and you're still new to the Moomoo Singapore app, you can sign up for their new user promotion and earn up to $1,315 worth of rewards. If you're a big fan of Nvidia shares, this is going to be right up your alley. Nvidia is so popular nowadays. If you deposit $3,000, $5,000, $10,000 or even more, you can earn up to $490 worth of Nvidia shares and $610 worth of trading cash coupons. And don't say I bojo, but because I'm an affiliate partner with them, you can also get up to $60 worth of Nvidia shares if you sign up with my exclusive link down below or sign up here with this QR code. For those of you who have downloaded the app, but you haven't deposited your money yet, you can still get the additional Nvidia shares by simply searching for special deposit on the search bar, click on go go and just type in my promo code ShuanKai1 and complete the deposit. Now once you have downloaded or re-downloaded the app, let's get started on building the dividend portfolio. The one investment tool that I use to start building my dividend portfolio is actually using Singapore REITs. Now I'm gonna lawyer up and prepare my arguments to counter all the rejections that are gonna come my way in the comment section down below. So calm down, and let me first make my case. Reason number one of why I chose Singapore stocks for dividends is because Singapore has no dividend tax, so everything I earn in full, while the US stocks have 30% dividend withholding taxes. So if you're feeling rich, feel free to give away some of your money as taxes. Reason number two of why I chose REITs is a bit more interesting. So REITs basically stand for real estate investment trusts. For all the Singaporeans out there watching this video right now, this is probably the most relatable Singaporean thing. All the uncles and aunties are always saying, wow, you should buy more property, you need to invest in property right now, and then rent out and earn passive income, as if it's that easy, right? That's the way you should be investing your money, because land is so scarce in Singapore, all the property prices will just keep increasing, so you better buy some property right now, as if it's like $5 or $10 and you can just buy it anywhere, you know? I'm basically house hunting for a resale HDB right now, and freaking hell, everything is at least 600 to 800,000. 2-bedroom condos can also cost more than $1.3 million for a super tiny ass unit. And even if you can afford to buy one and rent it out, you can have tenants calling you in the middle of the night when their aircon spoils lah, their water pipe leaks, or no hot water at night. Freaking, you know, small things like that, they will call you, you know? And that's why I like REITs, because it's like being a landlord without all the hassle. You buy into a trust that owns multiple real estate in Singapore, like malls, offices, warehouses, and in return they just pay you a portion of that rental income, perhaps around twice a year for most of them. What's even better now is that you can use Moomoo's AI function to search for the REITs that you want to invest in. Back then I had to just randomly Google, watch YouTube videos like this, and look for recommendations. Now we can cut through all that noise and save the time to look up these companies instead. Once you open the Moomoo Singapore app, click on AI at the top, and it will open the Moomoo AI function. Let's say we have something like this where 5 Singapore REITs that pay 5% dividend yield, which is quite common amongst the REITs, and history of consistent dividend payouts, which means that no matter what happens, you want them to have this history that they've been paying people out, you know, along the years during recessions and all that kind of stuff. So you're just going to click, and then you can just wait for a while. It will analyze your request, and it will kind of go through all the data that they have and try to churn out all these things that you want to find, instead of, you know, randomly finding REITs or things that, you know, from YouTube videos and stuff like that. Well, technically you're finding your random recommendations from this YouTube video itself, so don't discount YouTube videos. Yeah, I learned pretty much a lot of things from YouTube, about YouTube, from YouTube itself, and almost anything nowadays can be YouTubeable or Googleable. And give the AI some time to generate the information, and voila, you get all the research done. I personally started my dividend portfolio with this CapitaLand Mall REITs, which is CICT. You can also see that they give you the sector like retail and office. They give you the dividend yield as well, and they can tell you key assets: Raffles City, Singapore, Plaza Singapura, Capital Green. All these things all belong to, you know, CapitaLand Mall REITs. From here, if you want to get into the specifics, you can even give it better prompts to get better results as well. So for example, I want REITs that have been consistently increasing in price. I don't like having consistent dividend earnings, but the stock price is forever falling, which means something might be very wrong with the business itself. Then when you have those companies that you have highlighted, you can then do a deep dive into those companies to find out more information. So this is just really fast for you guys. Now, after watching this whole video, you're probably feeling super motivated and excited to start investing into dividend stocks right now. But here's the thing, motivation fades, and I can almost guarantee that you guys who are watching, majority of you who have watched to this point, will still not take action. Why? Now here's the interesting part. Not because you don't know how to, because I literally gave you all the freaking steps to do it, so you can't even say that excuse anymore of not knowing how, but because you say things like, "Aiya, too tedious lah, it's too tiring," or "what if I lose money? I'm just too afraid of investing in the stock market." And you kind of say things like, "I'll start next month lah," and then I'll choose to procrastinate instead. And that's exactly why investing is hard. It's not just about the numbers or stock picks, but instead it's all about the psychological fears we have around losing our money. Most of us were never really equipped with the mental tools to handle this fear, and the truth is, that fear never fully goes away. I still have them to this day after investing for so many years. And that's precisely why I created the Millionaire Project. Not to give people the hottest stock tips or signals, we have nothing like that in here, but instead to build a private community that helps you overcome these psychological fears together. Inside, you'll have access to my investing systems and mistakes. We also do monthly Zoom calls to account for our personal finances, and most importantly, we hold each other accountable to invest consistently. Because when you surround yourself with people who are consistently taking taking action, investing stops being scary. It's like hanging out with people in the gym who are really in good shape. It's very unlikely that you're going to be in very bad shape and eating all the junk food in the world if you're surrounded by a very good influence of people. So when you surround yourself with people like that who are consistently taking action, investing stops being scary and starts becoming a little bit more normal and common like everyday life, right? So if that sounds like something you are interested in, you can click the link down below in the description box, or you can scan the QR code over here to sign up. If you enjoyed this video here, then you'll probably enjoy this video here. Thanks for watching, have an amazing day as usual, and I'll see you guys in the next few videos. Bye bye.